It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till He appeared, and their soul felt its worth.
The thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn.
Fall on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices, oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born, oh, night divine, oh, night divine.
Oh, come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye to Bethlehem.
Come and behold Him, born the King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore. Oh, come, let us adore.